So welcome to today. Today is the 9th of January 2025, and just like the video title said, I will teach you how to make money from the Forex market. And it's not a BS, so basically you're going to see it while I put you through. And this will only work for you if you have a trading system that has your trading strategy and every other thing, risk management, every other thing in place. Okay, that's when this will work for you. But if you're a newbie and you don't basically have anything to beckon on or to rely on as your trading system, strategy, risk management, psychology, whatever, if you don't have none of that, then basically you're going to find it difficult in taking advantage of this information I'm going to provide to you right now. So without further ado, I'm going to show you the things you should expect from the market depending on the instrument you trade and what not to expect, and the varieties of possible moves that you could see in the market for you to know what next you should do. Now basically this is far much better than giving you trade signals. Okay, basically what I do here is I don't give you trade calls, which obviously is trading signal. I don't give you trade calls. I don't tell you should buy here, put your stop here, put your take profit here, partial take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, and no, I don't do none of that. What I'm going to do for you here, or what I do for you here, is to analyze the chart for you. Now this is meant to help you to make better informed decisions based on how you trade. So you have a full understanding of the possibilities of the moves on the chart and the varieties of things you should look out for, as well as things you should do and things you should not do. So to me, this is far more better than giving you some trading signal in some Telegram group or WhatsApp group or any other community and just basically giving you fish to eat, which sometimes the fish end up eating you and sorry, instead of you eating them. Okay, because you don't really know the basis of where the analysis or the trade call was coming from, or the reasons why the person said you should buy or sell. But here I analyze the chart for you. It's just an open conversation and open information, so you can take it and do whatever you want to do with it. So without further ado, I'm going to start from gold and I'm going to run down silver, US oil. I'm going to go to indices, analyze the major indices for you, and I'm going to go to the major pairs. I think before I go through all these things, I might include some cryptos though, but I think before I go through all these things, it must have been very, very long into the video, and I don't want to make it way longer. If not, I would have analyzed a whole lot of instruments. But without further ado, let's just hop right into the analysis and let me show you how you can make money from the markets. Now, this is going to be very detailed, so I want you to pay close attention. All right, so this right here is my screen and I am on gold. So this is what I'm looking at on gold. Let me take this back. Sorry. This is what I'm looking out for. So if you've been following me, by the way, you would understand where we've been coming from on this gold analysis. And you can go back to my videos and take a look at. I think there are some specific videos that are dedicated to just gold alone. You can just watch those videos. You would understand where we have been coming from. So we started from here, and then I predicted that it's about time we have a correction, either to continue this downtrend or a correction here entirely to continue the uptrend. So we've been in that correction still, and so far so good. We've been tracking it step by step based on the information the chart provides per day. Now we're here. Predicted this move, predicted this one, and this one. This is going to either do one of two things: either go break out of here, forms this as all the correction, or it comes down, making this a 1, 2, 3. Go for this, comes for this, then go for this. And after all that, or before that will finish, if it forms exactly like this and not go form a running flat. Okay, if it forms a running flat, it will go down some more. If it forms a regular flat where it breaks the top but it doesn't break the low, then we are obviously maybe going to be in a bigger correction for the upward trend continuation, which is what I'm going to show you now. So if we are to form a flag here, it will be a continuation of this uptrend. But if we are to form a running flat here, then it will be a continuation of this downtrend, and we might just go far deep into the lesser prices. Of course, you know how that works. So that is it for gold, and let me now tell you the immediate trade you should expect from gold today. Okay, let's go to 15 minutes. So for gold, I am looking forward to seeing this, even though it has broken this top, and that's just what I needed to do to start coming down. But if it has broken this top and formed a flag here or a flat to go up some more, which I'm expecting it to go up some more, then it means that we need to reanalyze this whole thing. Okay, because this could break this top, still come down here and go back again, because this it's now looking way more corrective than any of these moves here, apart from this correction we're having. Okay, so this is what you should be looking out for. A buy for now, but I am not seeing this going too far. Okay, I'm seeing this stopping short somewhere after breaking this stopping short somewhere and coming back for this move. And basically, we're going to take this as an impulse, a correction here, an impulse again, a possible correction in the making, and an impulse. So that's what I am taking it to be for the moment. And if that for any reason is going to change, I'll still do my best to bring the information to you. Let's go to silver. Silver, I am looking forward to seeing it go up, and it's going to break this top. So we have 1, 2, 3. We have 1, 2, 3. We're going to get 1, 2, 3. And this becomes 1, 2, 3. Remember this move down, we're going to get it, and we can then go. So for silver, your immediate trade right here is still to buy, but again, you're buying because it is going to break the stop, not that it will take off to the heavens or enter a flight or join one rocket that is going to Mars. And of course, you know what I mean. So by the time though you watch this video, this trade might have gone. So that's just the disadvantage of recording this first before uploading, because it is always going to prompt me to just go edit out all the filler words before I upload. But if I do a live stream, who cares if there is a filler word or not? You just basically come grab the information and go your way. But anyways, for silver, I have a pending order just above here, and let's see what it does after it takes me in. Okay, so that's it. And US oil, so finally it came down, and you can remember, if you've been following me, I said this would come down from here. It didn't. Instead, it formed an expanding flat. This one is so weird, and then comes back for this, forms an expanding flat again, meaning that any move here won't go far. Probably just touch this top, this line here, this dotted line, it's connecting from somewhere back. Just touch it and come back, because remember, we are still expecting this. Let me go to the bigger picture. We are still expecting, I'm still expecting this move to come. So is it the move that's coming right now? Maybe. So here's the thing. If it forms a correction here on the 1 hour, we'll sell it for this move. That's it. Form a flag here after breaking this, we'll sell it. And the reason why, because this could also be a running flat, and we just completed that and made a new high, and now we're coming down. All right, so whichever one of them I see form so well and convincing, I will buy. But I'm not buying this if it forms a buy setup. I'm not buying because it's going far. I'm buying because it's going to break this top, and that could give a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So now let's go to UK oil, which will be similar thing. Yeah, So you can see, right? And next is to go to US 30, still forming this correction and not true yet. You can basically see, right? So stay away from it for now. NAS 100, also stay away from it for now, because this thing is weird. So stay away from it for now. S&P 500 should be similar. Yeah, S&P 500 similar, and I am looking forward to seeing it come down soon more. So let's go to German 30. So this one is basically the one I want to sell, but it's not coming down. So since we just had this running flat, and that move could break the top again. So this move could break this top again, but I won't be surprised though if it does, because again, I said it the last time. I don't know if I uploaded that part or not, but if I didn't say the last time, I think the previous videos before the recent ones must have mentioned that. So what I am looking out for is this. If this goes to break this top again, which I don't have any problem with, I'm going to look out for this move, and you should also look out for this move if this breaks this top. Other than that, all you need is allow this to finish whatever it's doing there, and you can consider selling it. Just basically, you have to allow it to do whatever it's going to do there. And after then, only after then, can you consider selling or buying. So that is it. UK 100 GBP going up, but stay away from this one. And then we're going to do a few of the cryptos. Start from BTC, still coming down. And if you watched, I made this known that we might just be going for this move. And after that, we are going to get this move back. So the question now is, did we get this move or did we not? And if you ask me, there is nothing wrong in having a contracting flat in the middle, but having this being a complete flat. Okay, so if it comes down some more, prepare yourself. If you see any buy setup, you can consider it. Now that that has been established, let's go to Ethereum. Same thing, might just be going up. So this was 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Might just have completed this. We might get this to complete this, and boom, we are coming down. Other than that, just wait patiently and diligently for another correction here, so you can sell. BNB. Okay, basically you can see that, right? Came down, and I don't really know if this is part of this or this. So if this is this, it means that we just had 1, 2, 3 here, then 1, 2, 3. This becomes the top. 1, 2, 3. This becomes this. Go. And later on, we can, of course, get this. Maybe also we just have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the correction. And we might just go back up. So whichever one it is not clear right now. But does that mean we'll stop trading? No, we'll still keep on trading, and let's just wait and see what it does. It still looks downside to me here, but I'm not jumping in. I'm keeping my hands off that. Let's go to SHIB. I think that is the next one I analyze. So you can see that, right? Came down, and I don't know why I didn't upload this video yesterday though. We are either having this as all the correction and this as the top, and this is coming down to break this low, or this was 1, this was 1, 2, 3, we've gotten this, go back up for this before coming down. So either of the way, we are going to buy or sell. So to buy it, it has to break out of this, makes a flag or a correction or a pullback, however you call it. That becomes your buy. To sell it, it's going to basically do this, roll back, go back up, form a flag there or a flat, and then that becomes your sell. And I think you should really understand the difference between the buy setup and the sell setup. All right, so if it's going to be a buy setup, it's going to make an impulse and just make a flag or make a pullback, but it should be really not deep into it, because if it comes deep, we now change this thing to becoming a possible flat here for sell continuation. And I believe you really understood what I did right there, right now. Let's rush directly onto the major pairs. So Euro USD, and I am expecting this to maybe go up some more before it falls again. But am I interested in buying this? I don't think I should be. I don't really think I should be. This is going to come down, I believe, before that. So keep your eyes on that. GBP, stay away from this one. It's going to basically form a correction here for sell continuation by maybe later today or tomorrow. NZD USD forming a correction here to continue. AUD USD forming also a correction here to continue, and we'll see how far they will go. Not interested in the buys for now, so if I see convincing corrections, I'm going to sell. Though USD card, I lost money from this trade yesterday, and it was just basically $400, right? Yeah, and immediately it took me out of the market from my stop loss. It just basically started coming down. But it is what it is, though. It's just what it is. So I am looking forward to seeing that move come for that or come for this one. So if it's going to come for this one, this becomes a 1, 2, 3. Come for it, go. We'll see how this to get go before we start coming down. But if for any reason this right here becomes a 1, 2, 3, if for any reason this becomes a 1, 2, 3, then the move is coming here. It's coming here, and from here it could potentially bounce back up. And that is what you should have at the back of your mind. USD JPY coming down could be for this move, could also be for this one. But let's see how far it will go. But don't jump into the sales, because it could stop short and do this. So USD CHF probably forming a correction here. So wait for this correction to finish, and then let's see if it's going to go up again. So basically, those are all the trades we have today. It's a quick rundown on all these ones that I have analyzed, and I hope you learned something today. Do well to make good use of this video to enhance your trading style. All right, remember, this is no trade call for anybody. This is just a video to guide you on what the market will do, so you don't make outrageous mistakes thinking the market will go certain way or to a certain extent when it's going the opposite direction, or just going to stop short and reverse. All right, I believe I was able to help you with the information I provided in this video, and I wish you a good trading day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.